So this is the rubber for this tutorial. This is the outfit. It's just flat wearing outfit that I bought in runway that come with this shoes. Okay, this one was perfect for Valentine's Day because it's pinky and all this good stuff. But Valentine's Day is over, so it is alright. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be about this tutorial. Okay, this tutorial, it is spectacular. Okay, it is so freaking beautiful and it's one of my favorites. Like, yes, the tutorial for Valentine's, I'm gonna be honest with you, it wasn't my favorite. So I love when colors pop up like this, like you have too much color in your eyelids. That's what I love the most. Yes, I'm wearing my cat ears, but as well you can wear this look without your cat ears if you want to look like a grown-up woman. Okay, if you want to look like a grown-up woman, you just put your hair like this and that's it. Okay, or whichever you like. Okay, other cases, if you want to look like a little small girl, you just put this ears like this. Okay, and you look like a small girl. So look at this look. Okay, don't tell me this makeup up in here is gorgeous. Yes, it is. It is amazing, and I'm gonna send you through steps to this video, so you better keep on watching. What created this look was this palette from Too Faced. It's a value of $49. You can find this in Sephora, Ulta, or you can go in the website and grab yours. So it is Too Faced. It's called Chocolate Gold. It's looking like this, and it has the most glimmery, the most shimmery colors in the market. You know, this doesn't have no matte colors. So if you like matte colors, this is not your palette. But for shimmery, fun colors, this is your palette, definitely. So as well, I went with the cheap products. Okay, the Sleepy that is so bright and so red, so pigmented, great for Valentine's Day and all year round. It is through matte Nika case. Okay, this through red, that's the bloody red, and it's super pigmented for only, I still have the sticker, $1.99. I don't know if you catch that, but it's $1.99 in local dollar stores. So yeah, not to mention, I had to bring that out, okay, because you know the Sleepies for $1, they are the bomb, and they have becoming my favorites. As you know, if you visit my channel constantly, I always talking about some cheap products or cheap so you better subscribe, you better leave your lovely comment, you better press like to this video if you want to know more about that. But I'm talking too much and this has to be quick, so I hope you enjoyed this video and keep on watching. So let's just start with this tutorial. So yes, I'm going to start with a primer to have intensity in my eyelid, so that's what I'm gonna do first. Primer eyelid. In this tutorial, I'm using this Chocolate Gold by Too Faced palette, and this shadow over here is the one that we're gonna use all over your eyelid. This one, it is Holla for $1, and it's looking like that. It's like a green olive tone shadow. And it's pretty pigmented. So this tutorial is gonna be pretty out there. You know, it's not gonna be like the Valentine's Day tutorial that it was really light and pseudo and romantic, and it wasn't that much of pigmentation. This tutorial over here that I'm creating today gonna have much more pigmented. Okay, it's gonna be super pigmented. And since we have that, sorry about that, now we're gonna, always blending the crease. It is absolutely important when doing your eyelash so everything looks nice. This one's a nice blendable brush. You don't need no difficulty something here, okay? With this brush over here that is really blending brush, you can blend everything. I'm using this classy and chic, and I'm just recreating what I did in my eye lip over here just to save some time. So I'm grabbing the color and I'm gonna apply this over here. These eyeshadows are great. Like, I have eyeshadows over here for a long time, like for a year or so. So right now I'm blending that color, and it's the one that I blend as well in this side over here that I did to save some steps. So it's pretty nice. I'm just blending. Okay, pretty nice color. After that, this tip over here is great, like to press some color in the middle. So I'm using this Drippin Diamonds, which is a nice silvery color from this palette from Too Faced. Then I'm gonna wear in this area over here. I'm just gonna apply like the tip in the mirror, that's why it's gonna be like this silvery shadow. As well as this. Okay. Once we had done that and blend everything, I have a pinky tone over here. So this one is New Money. So it's like that pink tone stuff, and I'm just using the same brush applying over here. Just pinky tone the side. Once we have that, we're gonna apply mascaras. Okay, so we're gonna apply mascaras in the lashes to complete the eye look. You can definitely use a liner bottle. Let me put some mascara in the bottom and in the top. You can put eyeliner in the waterline if you want, but in this case I always go really simple, focusing in the stuff that people are really gonna notice in your makeup. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. And after in the bottom as well, you're gonna apply some lashes. I'm definitely gonna retouch outside the video and come back with the final look in the intro, but this is basically what you're gonna do. The only color I see here that is great for highlighting is this Rolling in Dough. That is this white color. This white color is the one. I just use my fingers, as you can see. I'm basic like that. This is what is gonna be under the brow bone after you clean very nicely your brows and stuff. And this was gonna be under the brow bone as well. I put some of this in this side over here, and after you retouch all that as well, you have to take back your brush and blend everything like this. As well, the eyebrows, as you can see, needs to be done when you've done your makeup. This tip over here is great for small areas just like your eyebrows. I'm just gonna use a brown color. In this case I'm using a brown color to fill them out like this. I'm just gonna go how it looks naturally. You see how it looks naturally? I'm just gonna go and fill them out just like this. That's exactly what I'm gonna do in the other eye. So I'm just guiding you through steps in this makeup. Okay, so for contour I did something really simple. For contour I use this Malibu Gleams that you can find in justmixA.com, and a nice contouring brush that I can contour with. So I'm just gonna apply the product in the sheet like this. This is a nice pigmented contouring product for the price that is only $1 in justmixA.com. So right now I'm just gonna apply some blush, and as usual I'm using this GLV that I bought over there in Puerto Rico when I went for my vacations. This pinky color over here, it is really nice, and it's what I'm gonna wear in the other, as you can see. So like this was a great combination of clothing for Valentine's Day, but I was late yesterday, Valentine's Day. Okay, I was sleeping all day, so I didn't wake up for nothing because I was like a zombie. I'd be like, for that video I had to be really, you know, really energized and have a lot of energy, and right now it's not happening. So let me wait until tomorrow until I get some sleep. I got some sleep, I still need my pills, you know, but I got some sleep, and that's why I'm doing this makeup over here. So you're just gonna wear a nice blush over here, and right now I'm gonna apply highlights. Okay, and this is small brush over here, like I told you in my last tutorials. It's a small, it's the perfect one. I'm still learning makeup, okay, and I realized this one's the perfect one for highlights up in here. Okay, so this, I'm getting this highlight, and this is what I'm going to apply here. See, highlighting there, and then you can apply more highlights in here, like to be like really shiny, you know, like the stars. And I can apply more in here. Okay, so that's basically what I'm gonna do for highlights. I'm not gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna do nothing. Basically I can like put some highlight in my cupid bowl like this, but I'm not doing nothing else. Okay, and this makeup is up there, you know. So right now, as I promised last tutorial, I'm gonna wear my red lipstick. Okay, it is the 15th of February. It's not Valentine's Day anymore, but as well for next year, this tutorial over here is great because it has pinky tones with unusual colors that you combine together, so it is amazing. So this is a red color that is from Nika Kate True Matte, and this one is the red color. This one's I found this thing over here for $1.99 in the dollar store. Okay, so you go in the dollar store and you find great stuff. So this is what I'm gonna apply to my lips. You're just gonna apply this and finalize all that. Okay. Off camera, I'm gonna finalize everything. Okay. And this primer spray is the last thing I'm gonna